Okay, so for this one, we have three hexagons here of increasing size, and each dot pattern continues so that each successive hexagon contains one more band of dots. How many dots are in the next hexagon? Okay, so let's see what's happening here. First, we had 1 in the first one, and then we had 1 plus, if we count these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 1 plus 6. And then here we had 1, and we still have our 1 plus 6, right, from the second band. And the third band has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. All right. So this looks like you're starting with 1 and you're adding multiples of 6. That's what it looks like. So the next one I can kind of predict. It's going to look like we're going to have our 1 and we're going to keep these 2 because we have those bands. And the third band is probably going to be an added 18 because that's the next one in the multiples of 6. So if I add these together, 12 and 18, that gives me 30. And then 6 and 1, 7. So I have 37. I'm going to go with B, as that's what's going to be in the next band of the next hexagon. All right.